Welcome back to Military News, your trusted source for the latest in defense technology, futuristic warfare, and next-gen military design from around the globe. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our deep dives into cutting-edge combat tech. Got thoughts or questions? In today's episode, we're taking you inside one of the most fascinating and unexpected developments in modern military engineering, a reimagined version of the T-1 for Armata, Russia's most advanced main battle tank. But this time, with a twist. Introducing the T-14 Aurora Edition, a stunning, sci-fi-inspired, high-tech battle tank designed exclusively for elite female soldiers of the Russian armed forces. This is not just a recolored version of the original. This is a re-engineered masterpiece, merging military-grade firepower with a feminine, futuristic aesthetic that's never been seen before on the battlefield. Let's dive into the details. The exterior of the T-14 Aurora breaks all expectations. Painted in a metallic soft pink finish, it features aerodynamic panels with a sleek, almost alien-like curvature. Gone are the rugged, harsh lines, replaced with graceful but robust armor plating that reflects both elegance and resilience. Step inside, and you're no longer in a tank. You're in a sci-fi command pod worthy of a space opera. The cockpit interior is bathed in soft rose lighting, with holographic interfaces displaying real-time data, tactical maps, and AI-assisted control feedback. LED underglows line the base like a concept car, while the tank's turret has been fitted with adaptive camo that changes hues based on environment and mission mode. The pink may look delicate, but this beauty is still a beast, equipped with the same 125mm smoothbore cannon. Active protection systems, the control panels are voice-activated and gesture-sensitive, allowing the commander to operate key systems without physical touch. Ergonomic seats are lined with plush, high-performance velvet, reinforced for durability but designed for long missions and comfort. Small floral engravings on the walls and rose gold trim on every control knob remind you, this isn't just a machine, it's a statement. The T-14 Aurora comes fully integrated with a custom AI assistant called Kira, short for Kinetic Integrated Response Assistant. Kira isn't just tactical, she's empathetic. With multilingual support, emotional analysis, and biometric tracking, she helps female tank operators manage stress, fatigue, and focus under pressure. Whether it's combat mode, recon, or stealth operation, Kira adjusts lighting, noise cancellation, and even cockpit temperature automatically. This level of human-machine harmony feels less like military tech and more like something from a futuristic space fleet. This tank represents more than firepower. It's a symbol of evolution, where war machines no longer need to be built only for men or designed to strip personality for the sake of efficiency. The T-14 Aurora challenges the narrative, proving that strength and softness, technology and beauty can coexist. For the female crews piloting it, this tank is a badge of honor. It's a space of empowerment, precision, and purpose. So, what do you think of the T-14 Aurora? Is this the future of gender-inclusive military design, or just a one-off concept meant to shake the system? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Would you drive it? Do you think other countries should follow this lead? Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into military innovations from all over the world. Like this video if you enjoyed this breakdown, and share it with a friend who loves futuristic tech or modern military evolution. Until next time, stay sharp. This is Military News, signing off.